Hey guys, Killstokes here. I want to share another idea. This is one that I actually left out of the weekend YouTube video just for time purposes, but wanted to bring it to your attention. We're on the Euro Aussie. We just did the Euro dollar. We're on the Euro Aussie daily chart here, and we're trading at a pretty interesting level. So first and foremost, we have a big head and shoulders pattern being formed. It's not going to be your greatest looking head and shoulders pattern, right? And this is a good reason why you need to train your eyes to see this in the market instead of just looking in textbooks or videos where they're showing picture perfect situations. But we have a bullish directional move here, followed by a retracement, which creates our left shoulder. We then have a shorter extension nonetheless, but shorter than the previous leg, as you can see, which is going to give us our head. A deep retracement right back down to the lows that came at the retracement after our left shoulder. And then we have a spike back up here, right? Giving us our head and shoulder pattern, which is a classic kind of reversal pattern in the market. The most interesting point here is the line that we are holding. If I just take a horizontal line and put it right here, this is why I like using the crosshairs. The crosshairs isn't the greatest for like explaining stuff or if I'm doing videos and whatnot, but from a visual perspective, I love having both the vertical and the horizontal axis because it allows my eyes to really see where we're at. And if we just take a look at this line right in here, and I'm going to go ahead and thicken it up a little bit for you, right? There we go. Let me get pink. We'll see that we're at a pretty crucial point in the market. I like to call this a structure swap. If you're a fan of Peter Brandt, who's someone I look up to in the industry, you'll hear him refer to this as an ice zone as well. And an ice zone essentially means this. If you can imagine this level of structure being like a sheet of ice. For the fish that are swimming and existing beneath the level of ice, it acts as a level of resistance, kind of like a ceiling in which they can't get out of. On the other hand, right, for someone walking on top of the ice, right, this acts as a level of support, meaning it supports us and stops us from falling in. So when you see levels like this where price action has gone from, hitting this level as support, breaking through, and then turning into resistance, and breaking through again and turning back into support, it's a clue that it is a very powerful level in the market. And in this situation, price has broken through this level, retraced, but it hasn't really been able to extend far away from it. So what that does is it puts on my radar a potential break, a potential violation of this level. If we can crack through this support, we are likely to have a very nice fall to the downside. Again, not only is this a piece of ice, but it's a battle between the buying pressure and selling pressure. And whichever side loses, in this case, if the buyers that are holding it up, if they lose, right, they're going to give up and ask themselves, where can we, be interested in buying again? They'll fight at another point. So we're probably going to see a big move from this level, right? Even if we look at this as being about 153s, at minimum, we'll probably go to 150s, if not even lower to 147s. So there's nothing setting up right now that says sell it. I wouldn't sell it in advance unless you've got some reason to do so. But it is something that is very heavily on my radar. And I would love to see a violation of the neckline of this head and shoulders, aka our previous level of structure. If you guys like this idea, do me a favor, hit that like button or that little rocket ship deal. Show me some love. Also, if you have any questions or comments about anything I discussed in this video or really anything in general, feel free to leave them below. I do read each and every one. All right. Until next time, plan your trade your plan. Wishing you guys the best of luck this week in the markets. And I'll see you next time I have some free time. So there's a lot of content being uploaded to the YouTube channel on a regular basis. You can check it out in the most recent updates playlist. Again, there are Trading Coach podcasts, there are Trader Coffee Break discussions, and there are daily videos just on trading breakdowns and analysis that we're doing in our live sessions. You can also click the Shorts tab right here. Lots of short, quick trading tips aimed to help you, not just in trading, but in other aspects of your life as well. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss the most recent upload.